Hi, I'm Alessandra, COO of Hestiya. At Hestiya, we help coaches, clinicians, and advisors deliver better outcomes by creating continuity between every interaction they have with their clients, whether that's one-on-one, group-based, or within a community. Because the reality is, outcomes don't just depend on what happens during sessions, they depend on everything that happens in between. And that's exactly what this platform is designed to support. This is your professional console. This is where you set up the system that powers your entire client experience. We'll start with protocols. This is the foundation of everything. Protocols are where you turn your expertise into a structured, repeatable system. You define the stages of your process, what your subscribers need to do, what gets tracked, and how they progress. Each step can include actions, metrics, guidance, and triggers. So instead of managing everything manually, you're guiding subscribers through a system you've already designed. Next are workflows. This is where automation and accountability come together. Workflows allow you to trigger actions based on behavior, timing, or progress. So if a subscriber completes something, misses something, or reaches a certain point, the system responds automatically. But here's what makes this different. These alerts and prompts are tied to you. So when a subscriber receives a reminder or guidance, it feels like it's coming from the person they're accountable to, not just another app notification. And that's what drives real follow-through. Next, we have check-ins. This creates a consistent daily or recurring touch point. Subscribers can log how they're doing, what they're experiencing, or key inputs you care about. This gives you visibility between interactions, so when you get to your next session, you're not starting from zero. You're seeing trends and patterns over time, which allows you to make better decisions and have more effective conversations. From there, everything connects into your ecosystem, starting with your community. Your community becomes part of the journey, not something separate. You can guide subscribers into specific discussions or spaces based on where they are. This keeps engagement intentional and brings them back into your world. The same applies to your courses and content. You can connect lessons, resources, and modules directly into your protocols, so subscribers are guided to the right content at the right time, based on where they are and what they need. So they're not just consuming content, they're applying it within your system. Now, this is where the system becomes really powerful, the AI agent. This AI is trained only on your information, your protocols, your content, and your methodology. It does not pull from the internet, and it does not generate generic answers. So there's no hallucination, no conflicting advice, and no loss of control. Everything stays aligned with how you work. And importantly, it's not designed to replace you. It's designed to reinforce the relationship. If a subscriber asks something outside of what you've defined, the system redirects them back to you. For example, great question. This is something your professional will cover with you next session. So instead of answering everything, it keeps subscribers connected to you in your process. Subscribers can also connect and share key metrics, things like HRV, sleep score, activity, and more. But instead of just showing raw data, the system applies an AI layer through your professional lens. So subscribers receive guidance that's aligned with your methodology. At the same time, you're able to see trends and patterns over time, which gives you deeper insight into what's actually happening and allows you to step in earlier when needed. Finally, you have your client view. This is where you can see how subscribers are moving through your system. You can track engagement, progress, check-ins, and key metrics in one place. So instead of guessing what's happening between interactions, you have real visibility. Once everything is set up, the system starts doing the heavy lifting. It creates structure, accountability, and continuity across your entire business model. It keeps your methodology active between interactions and keeps your subscribers connected to you every step of the way. Now let's switch over to the subscriber app so you can see exactly how this shows up on the other side and how subscribers experience this in real time.